Hey everybody, John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida. Well, it's usually sunny, but it isn't sunny at the moment. But give us an hour, the sun will be back out shining. We got a torrential downpour, and I got to show you this because I'm at an open house here on a Sunday afternoon. I'll be here till 4 o'clock, by the way. If you're in the area and you see this video before I leave, come visit with me. Look at that rain coming down. It is crazy out there. You may be thinking, John, that rain is crazy like you're crazy. Well, maybe, but look at this. I got some people outside. They are just sitting in their car waiting to come into my open house today. They're waiting for the rain to stop, I guess. They've been out there for about 10 minutes just hanging out. Let me show you around this home that I just listed a couple weeks ago. This is a Vernon Hill model in the great community of Verona Walk, which is down towards Marco Island. This is a 3-bedroom. Actually, it has a 4th, but they don't consider it a bedroom. I'll show you that one in just a second because it's a den, no closet. But it's got a 2-car garage attached. I'm not going to show you in there because that's kind of boring. But the rest of the house, pretty sweet, pretty spacious, nice and open here in the living and dining room area. Kitchen, really nice. Countertop, fit about 4 to 5 bar stools there. Granite countertops and some stainless steel appliances with the fridge. There's the bedroom there slash den. I'll take you in the master bedroom, and then if you're lucky, I'll give you a sneak peek outside on the lanai so that you can feel the rain and maybe even some thunder while we're out there. We'll see. It's Florida, the Sunshine State, right? This is your bathroom. You have a walk-in shower, soaking tub, 2 sinks, beautiful walk-in closet as well, too. Really big for those of you who have a lot of stuff. Let's look out here. This is crazy stuff going on. You may be thinking, John, you're crazy for doing that. Yeah, you're probably right. I'm a little crazy. But look at this. Oh, the rain is coming down, but you can sit on your lanai and just enjoy it. Hopefully you can still hear me out here because it's a little loud. I got to show you something, though, with this view. It's a beautiful view. It's a corner lot. Boy, I hope my camera's waterproof. The rain is coming down sideways. Look at that. Man, Florida rain. It's a crazy thing. Anyways, John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida. If you want a real estate agent that's committed to selling your house, rain or shine, call, text, or email me. Glad to help you at any time. Signing off here, a little wet, but having a great day. John C. See you guys later.